Input devices. Input devices allow a computer to receive data and instructions from the user. Data can be in the form of numbers, text, sound, or graphics. Keyboard. A keyboard is the main input device for computers. You can press the keys on it to input data in the form of letters, numbers, and symbols. Mouse. Mouse is a pointing device that allows you to put data into a computer by using the point, click, double-click, and drag and drop actions. It controls the movement of the pointer on the screen. It is used to move and select icons, files, and folders on your computer, navigating through software applications. It is also used to draw pictures. Scanner. Scanner is a device that helps to input printed pictures and text into the computer by converting them into digital form. Some popular types of scanners include barcode reader. Scans barcodes for identification and inventory management. Flatbed scanner. Uses a flat surface to scan documents and images, often allowing for high-quality scans. Sheet-fed scanner. Automatically feeds pages through the scanner for quick scanning of multiple documents. Webcam. A webcam is a digital video camera that connects to a computer, allowing users to input their image and video in real time. Webcams are commonly used for video conferencing, live streaming, and capturing images or video for various applications. They can be built into laptops or used as external devices connected via USB. Graphic tablet. A graphic tablet, also known as a drawing tablet, allows users to draw directly on a flat surface using an attached stylus that resembles a pen. This device connects to a computer and translates the movements and pressure of the stylus into digital input, making it popular among artists and designers for creating illustrations, animations, and digital art. Joystick. Joystick is a pointing device which is used to control the movement of a pointer on your computer screen. It typically consists of a stick that pivots on a base, allowing users to manipulate the pointer in different directions. Joysticks are especially popular for playing video games as they provide precise control for navigating and interacting with gaming environments. Microphone. Microphone is an input device that is used to record voice, music, and sound into the computer system. It is popularly known as mic. It converts sound into electrical signals. Microphones are commonly used in various applications, including audio recording, video conferencing, and live streaming.